Why the heck do people tell you to invest early? Is it just some fancy financial jargon, or is there something we're missing? Well, buckle up, because this simple decision could make you way richer than you think. Picture this, you're 20, and someone tells you, dude, start putting your money into stocks now. You're like, yeah, sounds good, but I'm still trying to figure out my Instagram bio. Fast forward 10 years, you're now 30, still not investing, buying tacos with the cash you could have invested. And then you find out your friend, the one who actually listened, is chilling in Bali while you're scrambling for rent money. Here's the deal. Starting early isn't some financial fairy tale. It's your ticket to making serious money, and you don't need a fortune to do it. Let me explain why. Alright, the secret sauce here is something called compound interest. It sounds like wizardry, but trust me, it's real. Here's a fun way to picture it. Think of investing like planting a tree. If you plant it today, it grows, and then it gets bigger and bigger. But if you plant it way earlier, by the time you check back, it's already a whole forest. Now, imagine that forest is made of money. Let me break this down with numbers. If you start putting $100 a month into an investment at 20, by 30, you've got about $50,000. Not bad for doing next to nothing, right? But if you wait until you're 30 to start, you'll need to put in $200 a month just to catch up. And even then, you'll have less than $50,000 by 40. Why? Because time isn't just on your side, it multiplies your money. It's like if you planted a tree, and every year, the branches didn't just grow, they grew more branches. This magic of compounding happens when your money starts earning money. Here's the real kicker. The earlier you start, the more time that magic has to work. By the time you're 40, someone who started at 20 could have 3, 4, 5 times more than you, with way less effort. They'll be sipping margaritas on a beach while you're still stressing over student loans. Ready for your jaw to drop? Think about this. If you start investing at 20, even if you only throw in a little bit, let's say $50 a month, by the time you're 60, you could have hundreds of thousands, even millions, just because you gave it time. And here's the twist. It's not just about the money. Starting early gives you the freedom to do whatever the heck you want. Maybe you'll retire early. Maybe you'll travel the world. Maybe you'll just live stress-free and not have to freak out when the electric bill comes. But here's the catch. You don't need a lot to start. If you throw $5 in today, that's still $5 more than you had yesterday. And that $5 is going to multiply over time. It's like planting a seed, then getting back a massive fruit tree that feeds you for the rest of your life. And all you did was give it time. So yeah, time is your most valuable asset. Start now, let your money grow, and let compound interest work its magic. Who knows? By the time you're older, you might just be the one giving advice on how to retire early. It's not about making big moves. It's about making the move.